how to understand the spiral roundabouts. The A1231 East, the Wessington Way, crossing the A19. On this occasion we're coming from Cherry Blossom Way, emerging onto the A1231. Remember to check your blind spot, already indicating. Check your blind spot again and emerge onto the A1231 and make progress down the road. Soon we're going to cross the main A19 roundabout, the Wessington roundabout, and we're going to continue following the A1231. The two lanes shortly split into three. The signpost shows the 1231 is the left two lanes. Remember, given the choice, the left lane is the best lane. Indicate to move across and carry on making progress towards the roundabout. Remember, we're crossing the roundabout second exit. Remember, this junction is one of the busiest around the Sunderland area. There's a lot of traffic. Make sure you're aware of the vehicles which are around you. We're staying in the left-hand lane, following round, look left, indicate left. Remember to stay within your lane. Continue indicating left until you've left the junction, then make progress up the A1231. That concludes the spiral roundabout. We're going to continue on until Enterprise 2 roundabout. Often catches out candidates on the driving test. They think that the third exit is the right exit. This occasion it's the wrong exit. So the instruction is cross the roundabout, third exit. It's important here to read the road signs. First exit goes to Castletown, second to Wessington Industrial Estate. We're following the A1231, which is straight ahead. It's not a right turn.